12:28 at night, and we had a little bit of a scared. Not even. It was a little bit of scared because there was an earthquake. We did feel it. We did see like stuff shaking and moving. Mind you, we're on the 9th floor. We automatically went downstairs. So right now. Hey guys, it's your girl Jules, and we're here at the Airbnb house, and I'm gonna give you a little tour. Andrew's over there hiding me. You look mad creepy. You look mad creepy. But this is a door. Nothing special about it. But this is the dining area, which we actually never touched because we've been here for like how many days we've been here? 4? Andrew.
What?
How many days we've been here?
In his house?
Yeah, like 4? 4 or 5?
Around there, 5. There's 2 left?
Yeah, like 4 or 5?
Like, yeah, around 4 or 5.
4 or 5. And we haven't used it at all. But don't mind the kitchen, because right now I'm cleaning up and we have to throw away the trash, which we gotta go outside and figure out where the trash is. So this is the kitchen. Literally, it's a cute little kitchen. It has a dishwasher over here, a nice refrigerator with ice, a little bar breakfast nook stool that he uses all the time. But yeah, I'm cleaning a little because we had pizza. He had chips because he loves food a lot. And refrigerator, regular water ice, and 2 things. Yeah, we didn't have a lot of stuff because I didn't want to waste a lot of stuff. So, yeah. The stovetop, this is an electric stovetop that I'm really not a fan of at all. And then we go over here to the living room. The living space. We were watching Sam and Kobe's video because I love Sam and Kobe. And this is the L shape couch. That side is my side. And yeah, there's a fireplace. This goes to the outside area. Like a little book nook thing. Speaker, giant TV. And like they have these little tiny lights, one here and one over there. Bright as shit. And then they got these cute little bar stools. Andrew lives right there. That is his area. We got I don't even know what this is. What's this? Andrew, what's this?
That's the AC.
Oh, this? Oh, never mind.
That's the AC there?
Yeah, that looks creepy.
I never looked in there.
That's a closet over there. Yeah. This is the bathroom. We went to the pool, so we have a lot of pool stuff drying. So this is the shower, which is so freaking cute. I love the shower. The shower head, a deep tub, love it, obsessed. And then this is the sink area, obsessed with this. And it has a little like cabinet area for stuff, which obsessed. What are you doing?
Taking a watch.
You're weird. Then we got one closet, which we don't use a closet because we literally live within our maletas. And these are our dry, like our wet clothes right now, which we're gonna use tomorrow. And then this is the room, a little bit messy because you know we just got home from Chick-fil-A's and stuff. So this is our bedroom, our another closet, and we got a mirror, a long mirror. And if you haven't seen my Instagram, I've been posting more pictures of myself because a lot of people are like, hey, we want to see more of you, so I've been posting more. There you go. Blessed you. And yeah, that's my side. Little fan. Our AC goes through right there. It's like a central AC. This shit is bright. I love it. And yeah. Yep, this is a room. Our Airbnb. He's about to do some video editing shit. And I look fucking tired. I'm exhausted from that fucking pool.
I'm good.
I don't know, I'm exhausted from the pool. Can we go outside and, you know, figure out the garbage?
So much work.
I thought you was good. I thought you was good. Huh? What happened to I'm good?
I mean, I'm good. It's like, that's too far. Too much work.
We don't even know where it is.
That's the point.
Loco viejo. We gotta figure it out because we got trash. And I don't want no bugs and shit in here.
Yo, I swear I was laying down. I was laying down on the couch and the freaking fly just landed on my forehead.
There was a fly that landed in his forehead. He lucky I didn't see it because I was like, whoopla! But yet, we're gonna be chilling. Hope you guys enjoy this house tour, apartment tour, and we'll see you later. Oh, this lighting is great. Oh, okay. I'll see you guys later. Boy.